My name is Cherry Lu, 38 years old, from Sorsogon City, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 sons. Their ages is 19, 16, and 12, and my daughter is 18. My highest educational attainment is college level. My hobbies are cooking and baking. I'm a pet lover. I have a cat and dog. My expertise are child care and elderly care. I work as domestic helper from Kuwait for 6 years, from 2019 to 2025. I serve 1 couple and 3 children. Their ages is 9, 7, and 4. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, ironing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and kids. I'm willing to take care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like the wheels on the school bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemates because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, ma'am, sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.